Joining us right now is Endeavor CEO Ari Emanuel. Ari, it's good to see you. And
Hi, Beck.
Really big bounce back in the second quarter for all three of your major businesses.
Yeah. We raised our EBITDA, and we raised our EBITDA guidance and revenue guidance for the end of the year. And so we're feeling pretty bullish right now.
What happened? I mean, we know pandemic shut down live events. There were all kinds of problems that came back from that. Are we back on normal footing at this point, or is the Delta variant going to slow things down again?
Well, here's what I'd say. In 2020, we did $3.4 billion. We hit our EBITDA numbers, and we raised our EBITDA numbers for this quarter, and we raised them for the end of the year, and our revenue numbers for the end of the year. We've actually all learned how to operate, whether it be in content, whether it be in sports representation, our own sports like the UFC, inside the Delta variant. And so from our perspective, we've taken this all under consideration, and that's why we raised our guidance on the second half of the year with regard to EBITDA and revenue. So we're feeling pretty bullish about our business. I think people are beginning to operate in the live events business with people having to get vaccinated. In sports, people are understanding how to put sports on right now, which affects our IMG business, our representation business, our production business in the sports business, and our gaming business, gambling business, and that business. And also in the content business, we've understood and figured out how to create content inside the COVID situation. So we're feeling pretty strong about it.
You said some really bullish things last night on the earnings call. When it comes to competition and talent, you said you haven't seen anything like this in 26 years.
Correct.
Why is that? What's happening?
Well, I think we've all learned how to operate inside the virus. And you now have 6 super competitors, whether that be Disney, soon to be Warner's Discovery, Apple, Netflix, Amazon, now Paramount Plus. And they're all bidding, as they said, for content. They've all raised their economics and how much they're going to spend. And Netflix said it was up to $17 billion. I think that's up about 44%. And they all need talent to drive new audiences to their services. And they've indicated that at the beginning they weren't able to do that. That's why some of their numbers fell down. But that has kind of increased the economics for content and for people that create content, whether it be actors, writers, directors, people behind the scenes. And that's a good thing for our representation business and for our own Endeavor content. And for that reason, we're feeling very bullish about the marketplace. And the bidding war has been insane across those platforms.